Greetings and welcome to Pinball Help. Mike here. Today I am working on this Williams Slugfest. Not exactly a pinball machine, but a pinball-like machine. This is a pitch and bat game, and it's one of the later ones that was made. It's all solid state, and it's actually got a WPC set of pinball hardware in here. And I picked this up a while back. It's been sitting around. I'm finally getting around to working on it. And I'll let you know what I've found. I managed to get the game booting up and everything, but the display is out. So what I'm going to talk about in this segment is how to get that display out and how to replace it. I found out that the display was indeed bad. I unplugged the wiring from the back and plugged in. I got an alternate thing here. This is a used DMD that I picked up off of Pinside. Thanks to the guys at Pinside for that. And I'm going to put it in here. And this is not an easy game to service, believe it or not. Takes quite a bit of effort. To get to where the DMD is, you have to unscrew two nuts on either side of the cabinet, here and then here. And then you have to push the bolts out. And then this piece comes out, and then there's a piece of glass right here that's like this. You have to pull that out, and then there's a little net thing here that fits right in here that has to be pulled out, and then lastly we're going to pull this off, and hopefully I will get to the elusive DMD here. So let's see. I got one last screw. If I can get to it. And there it is. There's our DMD. Not easy to get to. So I've already unplugged it from the back. While I'm at it, I'm going to replace these bulbs here, put some LEDs in here, and take this little puppy out. It's got those little things here. So I'm going to pull that out and replace it. I can see there's a crack in the glass. I can see there's a crack right there. So that's what the problem is. It outgassed. The glass got broken. Yeeps. Well, that explains that. It was working and then it just went out. So it got slammed. I'd never seen that happen before, but there's a first for everything. I need to find my little tool to get this out, which is going to be a way. I'll have to pause the thing, pull that out. So there's how you get to the DMD there. It's tucked way back up in the machine. So, never seen that. I can clearly see there's a crack in the glass. Well, this will be one problem that'll be easily solved. So, that's it. A whole bunch of weird little things. You normally think, oh, I can get to it from the back, because you can. This top part comes off. The top part of the cabinet comes off. But you can't get to it from here, you can't get to it from the back. You got to come at it from the front. It's an odd cabinet. It really is. But this is my first experience with one of these. And hey, since I'm here, let me show you what the back of it looks like. So let's take a look. Kind of be a little bit of a first look too. So we'll get back in here. So the back of the machine is like this. And there's all the components. They're mounted to the back here. And as you can see, this is a standard WPC driver board. There's the MPU. This is our display driver board. Now this is our display driver board, and this is the sound board. So it's got a lot of the standard components that you'd find in a regular WPC pinball machine. It's just mounted a little bit differently. This thing is heavy. It's hefty. So there you have it. I'll continue working on this. Maybe I'll do a little video on this game and show people how the whole thing works. I did replace the MPU board on this thing because the batteries just barfed all over it. It was really, really badly messed up. So slowly getting it working. So for more, visit PinballHelp.com. Thank you guys for watching. Obviously, I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel, YouTube/PinballHelp. And until next time, thanks for watching.